Imagine buying a flagship smartphone that looks almost the same as last year, but feels twice as fast the moment you touch it. Sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly what the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra might be aiming to do. Even though Samsung hasn't fully released its current lineup yet, early leaks about the S27 Ultra are already creating serious buzz. And this time, the focus isn't flashy design changes or dramatic new looks. Instead, Samsung seems to be working on something much deeper: raw power and performance that could redefine the user experience. At the heart of this device, leaks suggest a next-generation processor, possibly the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, paired with cutting-edge LPDDR6 RAM. Now, that might sound technical, but here's what it really means for you. Apps opening instantly, smoother multitasking, and gaming performance that feels almost like a console in your pocket. This isn't just an upgrade, it's the kind of improvement you actually feel every single day. But performance isn't the only area getting attention. The camera system is also expected to evolve, with Samsung potentially introducing an improved 200-megapixel sensor. That could mean sharper images, better low-light photography, and more detailed shots even in challenging lighting conditions. If this turns out to be true, the S27 Ultra could once again push smartphone photography to the next level. However, not everything sounds revolutionary. When it comes to design, don't expect a dramatic transformation. The phone may look very similar to its predecessors, continuing Samsung's familiar premium style. Even features like the S Pen might not see major upgrades this time. So while the inside of the phone could be completely next-gen, the outside might feel a bit familiar. And then there's the reality check: price. With all these advanced technologies, especially new memory and chipsets, the cost of the device could increase. So while you're getting more power, you might also have to pay more for it. In the end, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra seems to be less about changing how the phone looks, and more about transforming how it performs. It's a shift in strategy, from visual innovation to performance-driven evolution. So, should you wait for it? If you care about speed, long-term performance, and camera quality, this could be one of the most exciting upgrades yet. But if you're expecting a completely new design, you might want to manage your expectations. And if you enjoy content like this, simple, honest, and straight to the point, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more updates. Because the next big tech leak could be just around the corner, and you definitely don't want to miss it.